So I'm going to begin my journey across Muscat, walking right across the city. This is a village called Seeb. So yeah, this is where the journey begins, and I have been told that I'm not on the camera enough, so this is what I look like. The voice of the people. Sorry people. It's a really beautiful day. The sky hasn't got a cloud in it, just blue sky. It's lovely, calm blue waters. Gulf of Oman. What a start. Perfect temperature. Nothing could be finer than to be in Carolina in the morning. All kinds of birds come to Oman at this time of year. They migrate from all over the world actually. Big healthy looking seagulls. Wonder where they've been in their lives. This guy's got stuck in the sand. Or he needs some wood or something like that to get himself out. He's okay. He was just testing out the four-wheel drive. See if it worked, and it certainly did. Got him right out. And over here you can see there's a wadi. Oman doesn't have rivers. It has wadis. And usually they don't have water in, but this one does. Because we've had quite a lot of rain in the last few days. So Oman is a desert country, but there are times when it does look quite green. This will have come from the interior, the water making its way down to the sea, but now it's just dried up here, and slowly this water will all sink down into the ground. Fishing?
Yeah. I get this only one.
Oh, it's what is it? Cuttlefish.
Yeah.
Cuttlefish. Good for eating, yeah.
Yeah, for sure.
Did you just catch it with a rod, or
No,
have you been out in?
Using,
oh yeah.
This one.
Out diving. Did you go very far out?
Yeah. It's not that much far.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's like you can get it around here.
Yeah.
It depends with the water.
Right. Does it get deep?
Yeah.
Gets deep if you go quite a way out. You don't go in a boat then? You just walk?
No, I don't need to go with a boat. Yeah.
Oh right.
I'll use just my glass and this.
Yeah.
And my GoPro.
Oh, and you're taking video also?
Yeah.
Excellent.
Yeah. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you very much. Thank you. Enjoy your breakfast. So Muscat is a big area, and it's grown and grown and grown. And really it's about 5 different towns merged into each other, and the whole thing is now called Muscat. Building is very cheap out here. So most Omanis get Indian labour to build themselves a house relatively cheaply. I'd love to have a house like this. This is their dream. Right on the sea. A couple of fishing boats here. Well, here. Hello. Just start making out the buildings now of Muscat over there. It's a long time since I first came here. First arrived in Oman in 1990. And look at this grass growing here in the wadi bed. Growing really tall. It's like some kind of African grass. Ah, look, there is water here. So this is fresh water, it's not seawater. I can see that somebody's had a bit of a private party here last night. That's a cuttlefish, like the same that fisherman caught. These are good for parrots, I think. I think parrots will peck at them. This man has found a puffer fish, I think it is, and that's what it is. It's alive! It's alive, still moving. Yeah. Poor old fish. Oh. Muskin samak. So do you get many people? Many people come here and go on these?
Yes, many people, too much people come.
Right. How much does it cost?
3 reals, 4 reals.
3 reals, 4 reals. And you can just go around in this area here?
Up there, beach.
You can go on the beach also. What is your name?
Muhammad Sagar.
Where are you from?
Bangladesh.
Bangladesh. Are these easy to drive?
Yes.
Easy for drive. This is automatic, is it?
Yes,
Automatic. Okay. So where's the accelerator?
there is accelerator.
Oh, okay.
This one is back brake. Your channel name, YouTube?
Ishnum munshi. ISH. ISH. Heading towards the wave, which is over that way. Hello.
Hello.
It's okay if I take a little bit of video?
No problem.
Shukran. What is this?
Subar. I don't know if in English.
What do you call it?
Omani, Subar.
Subar.
Yes.
Just coming into the Muscat capital area now. Fig tree. Grapevines. These look like strawberries. This is the wave.
Good morning.
Hello, morning. How are you?
Baby elephant.
Baby elephant.
Yes, for kids.
Organic where? 100%. Hello, good morning.
Would you like a cup of tea for the morning?
Cup of tea?
Yes, we're just about to prepare some.
Tea or coffee, like the gentleman?
Tea please.
This is a lovely black tea.
Right. Are you from Greece?
My husband is Greek and
Right.
I'm Omani.
Oh, I see. Okay, right.
My friend is a YouTuber as well.
Yes. Yeah. Wow, amazing.
So we're going to...
So which kind of tea is this that you're making?
This is a black honey gold.
Black
so
honey
it's
gold.
basically a very young tea leaf that in China they pick it up during March. So it's one of the first flush teas. And it's called honey gold because it has the aroma of honey.
Right.
But there is nothing basically chemical about it. So
Yeah.
it's not artificial flavoring. It's the tea leaf that is so young. All the flavor components are preserved in it and it basically produces this beautiful honey gold color.
Right.
And if you could see the tea leaves themselves
Yeah.
over here, they have some golden tips,
I see.
which is characteristic of usually the first flush young tea leaves. And the aroma is just heaven.
So it makes a big difference it being new, a new.
It makes a big difference. I suppose it's like with everything. When you collect the tea when it's young, it's
Yeah.
full of nutrients, it's full of its antioxidants, polyphenols. As the tea ages, it basically loses a lot of these components.
Okay.
I suppose it's just like us humans, isn't it? We have our prime youthful age and then things
That's
change
true.
over
That's
time.
true. Yeah.
So the same applies for tea
I'm
and
past
food
my
as
best
well.
now.
Not at all, not at all. It's the new golden age.
Was making it before, yeah, but this is a nice
No,
machine.
she doesn't now. Why? They didn't buy it? Maybe he didn't make it
And
nice.
this is your beautiful cup of honey gold,
And it's
Thank you.
full
Thank you
of
very much.
aromas. That's this one.
Yeah, no problem. Thank you. Oh, ma'am, excuse me. Let me get. Do you have our information? So, this is Instagram.